Hey guys, Johnny here. Today I will be showing you how to turn off and turn on the keyboard click sound on the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and get started. So you will go ahead and go into Settings. From there you will go ahead and click on Sounds and Haptics. From there scroll down to where it says Keyboard Feedback. From there, you will go ahead and either toggle on or toggle off the sound. To turn it off, you will simply hit that and you will no longer see green and the keyboard click sound will be off. Let me show you. Now if we go back and turn it back on, you will see that it's back on there. So guys, if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you would like to give us a super thanks, we would really appreciate it so we can continue bringing you quality content such as the video you just watched. Thank you so much for watching. We will catch you on the next one. Take care.